These are the elevators at the Hyatt place at the Sarasota Bradenton Airport in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to 3. Here we go. Let's go back down to 1. Here's your cab view. Really shiny cab. Here's your inspection certificate. We're going to switch cars up at 3. So there's your guest laundry. The other elevator's on its way. Here's a map of the property. Pretty big actually. The room numbers go all the way up to 57. Let's go down to 1. Start with the cab view. Let's go up to 3. Take a look at your interlock. Date on it is July 2008. We're gonna go back down to 1. You just see the other elevator. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but it was coming up. And that'll be it.